Hey guys, it's Peter Bexelman with Partner Driven. And today I want to show you a beautiful transformation we just completed with our partner, Scott Thompson. We picked this property up for $45,000. And as you can see in the before photos, it needed some serious love. We invested $57,210 in repairs, and as you'll see some of the work in progress here. And here she is today, absolutely beautiful. We just went live on the market at $164,900. And this is what the partnership looks like. We fund the deal, guide the renovation, and do it together every step of the way. Great job, Scott. It turned out amazing.